Download the code from codegive.com. Link in description. In a Javascript tutorial focused on writing efficient code with functions, the emphasis lays on the importance of modularity and reusability. Functions serve as the building blocks of clean code, allowing developers to encapsulate logic and create reusable components. The tutorial highlights best practices, such as keeping functions small and focused on a single task, which enhances readability and maintainability. It also discusses the significance of naming conventions, encouraging descriptive names that convey the function's purpose. Furthermore, the tutorial addresses the concept of higher-order functions, which can accept other functions as arguments or return them, promoting functional programming principles. Performance considerations, such as minimizing global variable usage and optimizing function calls, are also explored. By adhering to these principles, developers can create robust and efficient JavaScript applications that are easier to debug and extend, ultimately leading to a more streamlined development process.